Hello students, I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. So today we will talk about exercise 2.2, that is word problem. See, in word problem, as the word suggests, is related to words. So as you can see, we will take an example, that is, in 3 consecutive years, the following amounts were spent on the development of a district. First year amount, second year amount and third year amount. Find the total amount in 3 years. Now, the first and most important thing to do the word problems is to read the question very carefully, as you have to use the language of the question in the answer. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to check the values that are given. So these are the values that are given in the questions. And what are these values? These are the amounts that were spent on the development of a district. Okay. So we will do one thing, that we will write the given amounts with the indication of what they are. Like, first amount is this. What is this? Amount that is spent on the development of a district for the first year, as they are saying for the 3 consecutive years. So we will write it as the amount spent in the first year. Similarly, the second year, same statement, but the amount is changed. Similarly, in the third year, same statement, but the amount is different. See, mostly the given amounts have the same type of statements. This you will observe in the next examples also. If you will identify the statement for the first amount, you will automatically get the statements for the next amounts. Now, for the given, we will write these things, and for the amount that we have to calculate, we will go to the part of the question where it is asked what to find. So as you can see here, we have to find the total amount spent in the 3 years. So from here you will get the statement for the to find thing. So as you can see, from here I have written total amount spent in 3 years. See, and addition you have to do as you have done in the previous exercise, and you get the answer like this. So I am telling you again that for this purpose you have to read the question carefully and then identify the statements for the given and the statement that you have to calculate.